Hi, in the previous video, we have set up the onboarding program for new hires, and we have created an employee called Jane. Now, after the onboarding process, we want to continuously engage or train this employee and then monitor his or her progress. We can do this in ERPNext using what is called a training program. Now here I've developed a training program, a sample training program, to develop some skill sets for whoever attending this training. So these are the 3 skills that I want to develop, and these are also part of the skill set that is core to this company. So with this skill set, we can develop this training program, and then we can name trainers. Usually they are outside, or it can also be inside the company. You can determine suppliers who will provide this training, and from here, this training program, save it, can then be linked to multiple training events. Okay, let's say we have a training event stated here, which is basically defined as a seminar that teaches on the skills that was mentioned. So someone will conduct this training today, and then we ask Jane to participate. So what happens is that Jane will get a notification to go and participate in this training. Yeah, she got an email from the system automatically that tells you that today from 9 to 5 in the office, this training is on. And she can actually click on this training, okay, to see that what this training is about. Okay, as you can see, ops training is here. So when this training is conducted, what can happen is that now we go to the HR manager, Sarah, remember? So Sarah can then look at the employee training program and see the event that is scheduled and provide some feedback. Usually the trainer will come back with some results, and what Sarah can then do is that create a training result for the employee, which is Jane. That she attended 8 hours of the training, and she get a grade of B. We can put in more details. Understood. Of course, this information is from the trainer, and Sarah is just entering it into the system on behalf of the trainer. Okay, then we save it and we submit this. So Jane has attended a training in the company. Now Jane can look at providing training feedback too for this particular training she's attended. She has to enter her details and learned. This is so that this is a two-way feedback. There's a training result from the trainer about Jane, and Jane can also provide a training feedback about the training she has attended, so that all these can be compiled and kept for posterity, for future reference, and also to note whether the trainer is good and what has Jane achieved during the training. So these results are there. Okay, you can find that under, okay, so now under Sarah, I can go and see the training event and also see the training feedback that was given by Jane about the training event. Learn a lot from the training, which is a positive feedback. Okay, so from here we can go to employee life cycle. Sarah can then start to see, she can provide the employee with some skill set development. So for here, go to the setting under employee life cycle, so employee skill map, whereby we can create a skill map for Jane. Okay, all her details comes out automatically, and then we want to add the training that she has attended, and then we say that her skills, the 3 main skills that we wanted to develop from the training, is good. Based on the results provided by the trainer. So we can save this. Okay. And this information can be retrieved . So now Sarah can also look at the employee skill map and understand that Jane has achieved skills with some proficiency, attended the type of training. So this one will be something that can be a traceable and audit trail of the type of training and capabilities being developed by staff in the company. And HR can manage it centrally quite easily. Okay, so with that, this is how ERPNext can be used to track the training and development of a staff. Thank you for your attention.